He stared at his phone, heart pounding, hands trembling. Just last week, he had been confident that he could handle everything: rent, groceries, diapers, but this week, everything felt like it was slipping through his fingers. His little daughter, Lily, was crying in the next room, and he had just realized there was no formula left. No formula. His chest tightened. How had he let it come to this? Out of desperation, he typed a message to someone he thought could help. He didn't even know if they would respond. The words left him feeling vulnerable and exposed. "Hi, I hate to bother you, but I need some help buying formula for my baby. I can pay you back next week." He hit send before thinking twice. Then, the sinking feeling hit him: he had sent it to the wrong number. The digits didn't belong to the friend he intended. Panic rose. Maybe he'd just embarrassed himself. Maybe he'd ruined any chance of help. He put the phone down, rubbing his face with his hands, trying to hold back tears. That's when his phone buzzed. Before we dive deeper into this story, if you love heartfelt tales that remind you of the goodness in people, make sure to subscribe to Kindness Tales, hit the like button, and leave a comment below about a time someone's kindness changed your day. The message on his phone was simple, almost unbelievable: "I can help. How much do you need?" The name attached to it made his head spin: Michael Harper, a millionaire CEO he had only ever seen in the news. The man who owned a chain of companies worth hundreds of millions. The man who, he thought, probably had more worries than a single father could even imagine. And yet, here he was, responding to a random text from a stranger, a man who had no idea what life was like for someone living paycheck to paycheck. He hesitated for a moment, wondering if this was some kind of prank. But the tone of the message felt genuine, kind. He typed back the amount, not even daring to hope. Within minutes, he received a reply confirming it would be sent, and just like that, relief washed over him. It wasn't just the formula. It was the realization that someone, a total stranger, had chosen to care. He could almost hear Lily giggling in the next room, completely unaware of the weight her dad had been carrying. But that was only the beginning. Days later, Michael didn't just send the money, he invited him to lunch. At first, the single dad was terrified. What could he possibly say to a man like that? What could he offer in return? When they met, Michael didn't talk about business deals or investments. He asked about Lily, about the struggles of being a single parent, about the little victories that often go unnoticed. It was the first time in months that the father felt truly seen. Michael shared his own story too, how he had grown up in a neighborhood not much different from where the father lived, how his family had struggled to make ends meet, how the kindness of a stranger had once changed the course of his life. It was a humbling moment, a reminder that no matter how successful someone appears on the outside, everyone carries invisible battles. And yet, choosing kindness, even when it costs nothing, can create ripples that no one can predict. Inspired by the encounter, the single dad decided to pay it forward. He started volunteering at the local food bank, helping other parents who were struggling, sharing not just resources but hope. He realized that kindness isn't just about money, it's about attention, empathy, and showing up when it matters most. Even small gestures, a smile, a listening ear, a helping hand, could transform someone's day, their week, or even their life. Word of the story spread online after Michael shared it with his followers, not for recognition, but to remind people that simple acts of compassion are powerful. The father didn't become a millionaire overnight. He didn't have an easier life magically handed to him. But the kindness he received became a seed, growing into confidence, connection, and a community of support he had never imagined. The story touched thousands, sparking conversations about the importance of helping others without expecting anything in return. People shared their own experiences, moments where a stranger's compassion had made a difference, whether it was paying for groceries, offering a ride, or simply listening when someone felt invisible. It became clear that kindness, even in its smallest form, can be a lifeline. For the father, the most important lesson wasn't about money, or even about luck, it was about human connection. He learned that reaching out, even in fear and desperation, could bring unimaginable hope. He learned that generosity doesn't always come from someone rich or famous, it comes from anyone willing to care. And he learned that sometimes, when you least expect it, life surprises you with a kindness so profound, it changes everything. Months later, the father still laughs when he thinks about that first accidental text. He remembers sitting in his kitchen, formula in hand, Lily sleeping peacefully beside him, and feeling an overwhelming sense of gratitude. Not just for the financial help, but for the reminder that even in the darkest times, humans are capable of incredible compassion. He decided to teach Lily about kindness early, showing her that helping others isn't just about doing something big, it's about noticing the small opportunities to make someone's day better. Michael and the father stayed in touch, their friendship growing through shared stories, holidays, and support. The father eventually started a small business from home, inspired by the confidence and encouragement he received. He realized that the world doesn't owe anyone kindness, but it gives it freely when you open your heart, and sometimes, when you least expect it, it returns in ways you could never imagine. This story isn't just about one lucky text or one generous CEO. It's about the fact that each of us has the power to make a difference. A kind word, a helping hand, a simple message of support, it can mean the world to someone who feels like everything is falling apart. And maybe, just maybe, that act of kindness will ripple out into ways we'll never know, creating a chain reaction of hope, love, and human connection. So the next time you see someone struggling, remember the father who texted a millionaire by mistake. Remember Lily, sleeping peacefully with formula in her bottle, because someone chose to care. And remember this, the world becomes a little brighter when we choose to act with kindness, no matter how small the gesture.